Hasley Palana. DXMC leader, John Jefferson Espinosa. MAPI Company Commander, Yuri Nebrea. MAPI Company XO, John Adamson Corseca. First Platoon Leader, MAPI Boys, Ronald Cava. Second Platoon Leader, MAPI Girls, Josel Bahadia. School Head, Edna F. Aladano. MAPI Facilitator, Glines V. Eñeco. Assistant MAPI Facilitator, Jerome V. Hermogino. Majorette Coordinator, Marian Espanto. And DXMC Coordinator, Marian M. Espanto. Alvin F. Panaid, Trainer. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 11 from Binanuana High School, Binanuana, Pili, Camarines Sur. That was entry number 11 from Binanuanan High School, Binanuanan, Pili, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 12. Nag-aali po sa Tagbo, Pili, Camarines Sur, Tagbo National High School, Troop Commander in Staff.